Alright, this is my diagram. You can see this is the head unit, similar to that one. This is the head unit, and I've shown you before a purple and white wire. This is from the head unit, written reverse camera. This wire need to go all the way to relay, together with the red wire to number 87 from the camera. So you will connect one wire, like I said again, from the head unit to positive red from the camera. You can see this is my camera to number 87. So two wires will be here, two wires, sorry. And then number 86, this is the reverse wire. You need to tap in from your reverse light or reverse gear, connect it to number 86. So this one will, it's like a switch on, so it will switch on that 12 volt from the reverse light, and the fuse will be constant 12 volt. And number 30, this is always need to be on. You need to find a positive from, for example, battery, but I've got my 12 volt from the cigarette lighter. And number 85, like I said before, it is black from the camera, and you need to tap a wire from the relay to go to ground. So you'll connect black from the camera to number 85, and then you'll take another wire from 85 to the ground, which myself I found it on the cigarette lighter. So here, let's run the test. Switch on my Zafira bay. So now the car is on. I'll have to give it a little bit of this double din. It takes a little bit time to power on. It is Pioneer F900 BT. So now our Pioneers is on. I am going to reverse. Put my reverse gear, and there we are. Going to reverse. So you can see that there's no blink in my camera now, and this is because of two wires. Like I said, from the head unit, it needs to go to relay together with the positive red wire. So as you can see, now I'm gonna change my gear to first gear, and there we are. Alright, and I will tell you a little bit more, because this Pioneer, there's somewhere where it shows that you can actually do backup camera when, for example, you have got you have connected what do you call it, a trailer, but I have no idea how to set that one on. If I click rear view here, it is blank, there's nothing. So I think I need to connect another camera to rear view so that I can enable this. But also I've seen it, it said that you need to enable it somewhere, which I'm not sure how to do it. It could be here, it could be here, but it says here on, and have no idea what happened, but it's not on anyway. So for example, I'm in map here. I can put my car into reverse and it changes. And even if I'm in DVDs, it not happen. So even if I'm in DVDs, for example, gonna play a DVD here, it will still change. Thanks for watching.